what Manish Mishra on Twitter asks, how will Perseverance advance the science beyond what Curiosity's been doing?
I'll take that one. This is Lori. It's a great question. So the Curiosity rover, of course, landed in Gale Crater, which is a place where they discovered there had been standing water. Certainly looks like confirmation of a much warmer and wetter Mars in the distant past. They were able to identify that the water that was present in that crater was at a pH level or an acidity that was actually something that would be conducive to life here on Earth, as opposed to some of the other places we'd found previously that had very acidic water where we don't think life could have formed. So we know that there were conditions there and water available where life could have potentially been hosted. They also identified complex organic molecules that could have been the early building blocks of life. So we've learned an enormous amount from Curiosity. But what Perseverance is going to do to push things forward well beyond what Curiosity was able to do, it is going to carry some specialized instrumentation that will be able to detect potentially if biomarkers are present in the soil that could give us some indicators that perhaps there might be the right molecules there that could be life-bearing. And then the one thing that Perseverance can do that we've never tried before to push things way beyond is to collect the samples, to take cores of the soil there at Jezero Crater and give us the ability to bring those back to Earth where we can now study them in our own laboratories here. We have tremendous capabilities on Earth that we can only try to do in a small way on the surface of Mars. So the ability to bring those samples back here really is going to open the floodgates of discovery, not only initially when we bring them back with our state-of-the-art instrumentation, but going forward, saving those samples for posterity, and so that we can use future instrumentation we haven't even thought of, and to develop, to test new hypotheses that we haven't even thought about yet. We're also going to be testing oxygen production from the Martian atmosphere when we're there as well.
Okay, thank you, everybody.